Hello, I am Mohru Mardonova. I am from Tajikistan and I'm working with the International Food Policy Research Institute. I heard about the Aral Summer School from my colleagues. As part of this summer school, I learned about mitigation and how local communities are adapting to the current situation. As a future policymaker in Tajikistan, this experience will help me to design tailored policies that will assist to lower the food insecurity, not only in the country but in the entire region, and at the same time preserve the ecosystem.
My name is Zulfiya Nazarova. I am from Uzbekistan. I study PhD at TMA National Research University, and I heard about the summer school at my email, and I was happy to apply to summer school. And we began our summer school last week, and it was very helpful for my work, my research area also, and all participants from Central Asia were very interesting for me, and we will together work in our research in the future, our work. And thank you very much for organizers.
Hello, my name is Eldiyar Dulatov. I am from Kyrgyzstan and I heard about this RLC summer school from my colleagues. I learned a lot from here, from my colleagues from other Central Asian countries. It will enhance our experience, how to understand, how to protect and how to manage the water resources and how to adapt to climate change in these arid regions. And from my colleagues, they are also shared their own experiences, and we are make together for future sustainable.
Hello everyone, my name is Eral Abdumajid from Uzbekistan. I'm a PhD student at TMA National Research University. I heard about the RLC summer school from my colleagues. Then I was motivated to join this RLC summer school. That's why it's focused on the RLC problems. Here I have been learned a lot about water management and climate change issues and adapting skills, also about the RLC regions more difficulties. And I also discovered some approach to solve such kind of problems. And I also discovered the teamwork with participants from different countries. This experience will strongly support for my future professional work, and also I will apply that knowledge to my practical projects, especially water-related issues and sustainable development.
Hello everyone, my name is Madina Kaskan from Kazakhstan. I am an ecologist and I'm a project manager on GCAP program. It's a program for green startups, and I am a participant of Kazakhstani Young Parliament for Water. I heard about the Aral Summer School firstly from my friends, and then I saw the post on Instagram. I have learned a lot of information about sustainability, about water resources, climate change, adaptation, mitigation, and especially about how fish populations are being restored. I work with green startups and with young professionals in water area, so I think that this knowledge will help me to inform this young population generation about the situation in our country and in Central Asia too.
Hello everyone, my name is Hafizullah, a young lawyer and youth activist from Tajikistan. I've heard about this summer school from my friends in Tajikistan, and they are participating, inspired me to participate in such an amazing and informative school. I've gained new skills, new knowledge about water, about security, and also climate change. After participating in this summer school, I understand that it's how important to combine the legal tools in this sphere. And I would like to combine in the legal tools in the climate change, water security, and make significant contribution in my country and beyond.
Hi, I'm Leyli Alamuradova from Turkmenistan, and I found out about this summer school because I followed the Deku account because I was interested in pursuing my master's degree there. And when I saw the announcement, I just felt that it's for me. Actually a lot. Honestly, I adore this unique side of this summer school because it offers valuable knowledge not only about RLC disaster but also about satellite sensing, water security, sustainable development, ecotourism and more. Very resourceful. As I'm in the beginning of my journey, it will equip me with the necessary skills in article writing, collaborating and field research. I'm sure it will bring a fundamental impact on my future professional work as a researcher.
My name is Mirareti Domanova. I'm a professor of practice and researcher at the Almaty Management University. My research interests are in gender, education, management and inclusion. I've heard about the summer school through the professional network. I have learned here not only about the ecological crisis of the RLC, but also about resilience and knowledge of local communities. For me, the most valuable part was learning how interdisciplinary approaches from ecology to sociology and political science can turn into the practice. The lessons I have learned here will impact greatly my professional life. I plan to integrate lessons learned at the RL Summer School into my teaching and in my international projects. I want my students and my colleagues to learn how local knowledge can inform global discussions about resilience and sustainability. Also, here we have collaborated with 3 participants of the RL Summer School. They all come from very different disciplines to work on 2 research papers.
Hello, my name is Madina Musaeva. I work at Kazakh-German University as a research fellow. I've heard about Aral Summer School from my colleagues. I learned a lot of new things from the participants of the summer school, and I was really impressed by the knowledge of the young participants especially. And the new things is that cooperation is very important. This experience will influence my professional life greatly. We have already made a team, so we have already started to work on the concept of the joint paper. But in future I will use this experience in my research activities.
Hey everyone, I am Shahnaza Fazalshoeva from Tajikistan. I'm a senior student at the University of Central Asia, majoring in Earth and Environmental Sciences, and I've heard about the RLC Summer School through friends and the network of youth in Tajikistan. The primary things that I've learned here are the skills that I would need for my future research. Those are very important in terms of primary skills such as citation and bibliographic analysis to GIS and remote sensing. The very important thing that this school gave us is the networking. We met a lot of professionals in our research area, and it will definitely impact my future in terms of giving me an opportunity to collaborate with different people.
Hello, my name is Emir Ali Gafarov. I'm from Uzbekistan, so I found out about this program through the Telegram channels and the websites. So I meet amazing people here, and during my tenure I learned a lot about research opportunities in RLC, and also I understood that in case of my projects I need to dive deeply in the philosophy of the Central Asia peoples in order to bring them together and solve the problem in the RLC ecosystem. So in the future I will pursue my political science majors because of I think the RLC ecosystems needs not only engineering stuff but also international relationships and maybe a law.
Hello guys, my name is Khonush Uzbekov. I am from Kazakhstan and I'm also president of the Kazakhstani Youth Parliament for Water. I joined the RL Youth Summer School with the main goal to collaborate in the network with my similar mindset colleagues. And I learned a lot about the problem of the scale of disaster in the Aral region. And here my main learning of this event was that together we can change the situation in the Aral region. But moreover, even though we cannot bring back to the previous scale of the Aral, we can keep it at the current level. But the most important, we can innovate and make this region more prosperous.